The modal verb will is one of the most commonly used verbs in the English language, and it has several important functions. Here are some of the key uses of will. Expressing the future, will is frequently used to indicate future actions, events, or states. For example, she will go to the party tonight. This usage suggests that the action is certain or planned to happen in the future. Making promises or offers, will is used to make promises, offers, or declarations of intent. For example, I will help you with your project. In this context, it indicates a willingness or intention to perform the action. Expressing willingness, will can also demonstrate a willingness to do something. For instance, I will do whatever it takes to succeed. Here, it conveys determination and commitment to achieving a goal. Expressing habits or tendencies, while will typically denotes future actions, it can also be used to describe habitual actions or behaviors. For example, he will often spend his weekends hiking in the mountains. Expressing certainty or inevitability, in some contexts, will can convey a sense of certainty or inevitability about an event. For example, that bridge will collapse if not repaired soon. This usage emphasizes the high probability of a specific outcome. Expressing predictions or assumptions, will can be used to make predictions or assumptions about the future. For instance, they will probably win the game tonight. Here, it implies a strong likelihood or expectation. Polite requests, in formal or polite contexts, will can be used to make polite requests or seek permission. For example, will you please pass me the salt? This usage is more common in formal situations or written communication. It's important to note that will has different forms for different subjects and tenses. For example, will is the base form, will not or won't is used for the negative form, and will have is used for future perfect tense. Understanding these various forms and their appropriate usage is crucial for effective communication in English. Certainly, here are a few more uses of the modal verb will. Expressing insistence or determination, will can also be used to convey insistence or determination. For example, I will finish this project no matter what. In this context, it emphasizes a strong resolve to complete the task despite any challenges. Expressing conditional actions or outcomes, will can be used in conditional sentences to express possible future actions or outcomes. For instance, if you study hard, you will succeed. Here, it suggests a potential result based on a specific condition being fulfilled. Expressing habits or characteristics in the past, would is the past tense form of will and can be used to express habitual actions or characteristics in the past. For example, when he was younger, he would often spend hours reading. Expressing future in the past, would can also be used to express the future from a past perspective. For instance, she said she would call me later. In this case, it indicates an action that was expected to occur in the future from the point of reference in the past. Indicating willingness in the past, would can also express willingness or consent in the past. For example, he said he would help with the project. This usage suggests a past intention or willingness to perform a specific action. Understanding these nuances of will and would in different contexts can significantly enhance your proficiency in using these modal verbs effectively in both spoken and written English.